What's up, vloggers? Before we hit the record button, let me tell you the 4 key elements that can make your vlog stand out. The first element is you and your unique personality. Sure, it's a plus if you can talk smoothly in front of the camera. But if not, don't worry. Most of us aren't natural born performers. The good news is that talking to a camera is a skill, which means that if you keep practicing and stay authentic in front of the camera, you can totally nail it. It's all about finding your own voice and being true to yourself. One thing that helped me is to imagine that I'm talking to a friend or a family member instead of the camera. This can help you relax and be more natural on camera. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes or stumble over your words. That's what makes your vlogs more authentic. Your viewers will connect with you more if they feel like they know the real you. So don't be afraid to make fun of yourself and share your passions with your audience. Next, it's all about video strategy. Now, it may sound like a big, complicated word, but it's really just about choosing the right topics that your audience will love. To create a good video strategy, you need to understand who is your audience, what kind of content do they like to watch, what are their pain points and struggles. Once you know your audience, you can brainstorm topics that will resonate with them. Look at what's performing well on your channel and similar channels in your niche. Use that information to create videos that your audience will love. The third one is develop a process for creating your content. If you want to create great content consistently, it's important to have a process that works for you. This means choosing the right gears, the tools, workflow to help you be more effective and efficient. First off, think about the type of content you want to create. Are you filming vlogs or interviews? Are you creating animations or tutorials? Depending on your content type, you'll need different tools and gear to complete the job. For example, if you're filming on the go, you might need a portable camera and a microphone. Or if you're doing animation, you might need specialized software and a graphics tablet. It's important to invest in the right tools for your content type and budget. Next, think about your workflow. This is the process you follow to create your content from start to finish. Do you brainstorm ideas first, or do you jump right into filming? Do you edit your own videos, or do you hire an editor? By figuring out your workflow, you can streamline your process and work more efficiently. And remember, your process doesn't have to be perfect right away. It's okay to experiment and try different methods until you find what works for you. The important thing is to have a process in place so that you can create content consistently and efficiently. Another key factor in creating successful vlogs is learning the necessary skills to turn your ideas into captivating videos. That's where this course comes in. We'll equip you with the tools and techniques you need to create engaging and compelling vlogs that will keep your viewers coming back for more. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your vlogging game, we've got you covered. In this course, you'll learn everything from camera techniques, lighting to editing, and post production. You'll discover how to tell compelling stories, create engaging content, and grow your audience. And most importantly, you'll learn how to have fun and enjoy the creative process of vlogging. So, if you can nail these 4 things, having great ideas, a smooth workflow, necessary vlogging skills, and a passion for creating, you're well on your way to a successful vlog. And with the help of this course, we'll make sure you have the tools and knowledge to take your vlogging to the next level.